Through the lenses of the James Webb Telescope, new discoveries have been impacting the scientific community and could rewrite the origin of the universe as we know it, revealing that the Big Bang may not have been the beginning, but rather a door that opened to something much larger. Before the first stars ever lit the darkness, before galaxies took shape, something happened that changed everything. The Big Bang, the moment we call the birth of the universe. But what if it wasn't the beginning at all? What if it was just the latest chapter in a story much older and much stranger than we ever imagined? Right now, new observations are cracking open the very foundation of the Big Bang theory. The James Webb Space Telescope is seeing galaxies that shouldn't exist, massive, bright, and impossibly ancient. The Atacama Cosmology Telescope has just delivered the sharpest picture of the infant universe ever seen, and it's full of clues we can no longer ignore. And somewhere, 13 billion light-years away, a ring of galaxies stretches across the cosmos in a pattern so vast it defies everything we thought we knew. Scientists are beginning to whisper about ideas once thought impossible. Cycles of cosmic rebirth, hidden mini-bangs, and even evidence that another universe might have existed before ours. If that's true, then the Big Bang wasn't the beginning, it was a doorway. And in this video, we're going to step through it. 13.8 billion years ago, there was no space, no time, no stars, only an unimaginable density, a point smaller than an atom where everything we know was compressed. Then, in less than a heartbeat, it happened, the Big Bang. In an instant, time was born, space exploded outward, and the first particles of matter rushed into existence. The universe expanded faster than light itself in an event we call cosmic inflation, stretching reality like an inflating balloon. At first, it was blindingly hot and dense. Light was trapped, unable to move freely through the chaos. But then, after 380,000 years, something extraordinary happened. The universe cooled, atoms formed, and suddenly the darkness was pierced by light. This was the first sunrise, the first time the cosmos could truly be seen. It's this moment, this release of the first light, that allowed scientists to build the Big Bang model. It became the cornerstone of cosmology, the key to understanding how galaxies, stars, and eventually life itself would emerge. But the more we studied it, the more we began to wonder if the story we told ourselves was really complete. The proof of that first light still surrounds us. In the 1960s, two radio engineers stumbled on a faint, mysterious signal coming from every direction of the sky. They had discovered the cosmic microwave background, the ghostly afterglow of the Big Bang itself. Imagine a photograph taken when the universe was only a baby. That's what the CMB is. Tiny ripples in this radiation became the seeds of galaxies, clusters, and the cosmic web we see today. It's like a blueprint of creation. And in 2025, the Atacama Cosmology Telescope delivered the sharpest image of this ancient light ever made, 5 times more detailed than anything before. Each pixel reveals information about how the universe formed and evolved. But here's the paradox. The clearer the picture became, the more it refused to fit perfectly into our model. The universe's infancy looked stranger than expected. And just as scientists were puzzling over that, a new eye on the cosmos opened, one that would make the mystery even deeper. Launched in 2021, the James Webb Space Telescope is humanity's most powerful time machine. Its golden mirrors peer across billions of light years, capturing light that has traveled since the dawn of time. And what it found left astronomers speechless. Galaxies so bright, so massive, and so well-formed that they shouldn't even exist yet. At least, not according to the timeline we thought we knew. One galaxy, nicknamed Mom Z14, comes from just 280 million years after the Big Bang. When we look at it, we are seeing the universe when it was only 2% of its current age. Yet there it is, shining, structured, already alive with stars. Consider this, the universe is about 14 billion years old. Finding this galaxy so early is like finding a 500-year-old tree in a garden that was just planted last week. This discovery posed a dangerous question. How could the universe have built galaxies this fast? The laws of physics seemed to say it was impossible, and yet the evidence was staring back at us from the edge of time. And just when scientists thought it couldn't get any stranger, something even larger, even harder to explain, came into view. In 2024, astronomers detected something that sent shockwaves through cosmology. A structure so vast, so perfectly shaped, that it almost feels like a message written across the stars. They called it the Big Ring, a colossal loop of galaxies and galaxy clusters, stretching 1.3 billion light-years across space. Imagine a cosmic fingerprint, a perfect curve carved into the fabric of the universe. Here's why this discovery is so unsettling. According to our best models, the universe should look roughly the same in every direction when we zoom out far enough. But the Big Ring is an exception, a structure so big it challenges the very assumption of cosmic uniformity. It's like finding a single, perfect wave frozen in the middle of a calm ocean. And if something like this can exist, what else might be out there? How many hidden patterns lie just beyond our reach, waiting to be discovered? The answer may change everything we thought we knew about the origin and the fate of the cosmos. For over half a century, the Big Bang has been our cosmic creation story. But what if it's not the whole truth? What if the Big Bang was not the first page of the universe, but a continuation of a much longer tale? Some of the most brilliant minds in physics are beginning to explore ideas once thought impossible. Sir Roger Penrose, a Nobel Prize-winning physicist, proposes what he calls conformal cyclic cosmology. In his view, the universe is not a one-time event but a cycle, one universe ending in a cold, empty expansion, and from that silence, a new Big Bang ignites. Like a phoenix rising from cosmic ashes, our universe could be just the latest in an endless sequence of universes. Other theories suggest creation wasn't a single, explosive moment, but a series of bursts, what physicist Richard Le calls mini-bangs. Each burst would have created new energy and matter over time, like notes in a cosmic symphony. This model could even explain the mysterious dark matter and dark energy that make up most of the universe but remain invisible to us. And then there's the Big Bounce, an even more radical idea. What if our universe didn't emerge from nothing, but from the collapse of a previous universe? Imagine an eternal heartbeat, expansion, collapse, rebirth, again and again, forever. If even one of these ideas is true, then the Big Bang wasn't a beginning. It was a doorway to something far older, far stranger, and far more infinite than we ever imagined. These discoveries do more than rewrite physics textbooks. They challenge how we see ourselves. If universes can come and go, what does that mean for life, for meaning, for destiny? Are we just one flicker in an eternal chain of creation, or part of something much bigger, a pattern that repeats across cosmic time? Perhaps the universe is not a lonely, one-time miracle, but a living, breathing cycle, and we are just beginning to understand the role we play within it. The story of the cosmos is far from finished. Every new observation, every anomaly, every galaxy that defies the timeline pushes us closer to the edge of a revelation. Perhaps the Big Bang was not the beginning, but a door. And behind it lies a history so vast, we are only now beginning to read its first chapter. As the famous astronomer Carl Sagan once said, "The cosmos is all that is or ever was or ever will be." And these new discoveries seem to be expanding our definition of what that means. Follow this journey, because the next discovery might not just rewrite the universe's story, it might rewrite our own.